Hello everyone. Today, we have a fascinating lesson that will help you unravel the mysteries of Greek vowel combinations. Trust me, if you're learning Greek, this is something you don't want to miss. Understanding these vowel combinations can significantly improve your pronunciation and comprehension of the Greek language. So let's jump right in. Before we explore the more complex aspects of Greek vowel combinations, let's take a moment to revisit some simpler ones. If you recall, we've already covered the alpha-iota combination in a previous lesson. This vowel combination is pronounced E as in echo. Similarly, the epsilon iota and the omicron iota combinations in Greek are quite straightforward. They are both pronounced like the E sound in the word see. No complications there. Let's hear some words that include these vowel combinations and how they are pronounced in Greek.
Εις πράξεις. Εις πράξεις. Η είσοδος. Η είσοδος. Η οικία. Η οικία. Η οικογένεια. Η οικογένεια. Η αίθουσα. Η αίθουσα. Η αισιοδοξία. Η αισιοδοξία.
Now, let's move on to the combinations alpha epsilon and epsilon epsilon. This is where it gets interesting. Unlike epsilon iota and omicron iota, the pronunciation of alpha epsilon and epsilon epsilon changes based on the consonant that follows them. Intrigued? Let's break it down. The first rule to note is that the sequences alpha epsilon and epsilon epsilon are pronounced as av and ev respectively, when followed by either a vowel or the so-called voiced consonants. They are called voiced consonants in Greek because they are produced with the vibration of the vocal cords. Don't worry, it might seem tricky at first, but you'll get the hang of it with a little practice. Let's hear some words that include these vowel combinations and how they are pronounced in Greek.
Το αυγό. Το αυγό. Αύριο. Αύριο. Η αυλή. Η αυλή. Ο ευέλικτος. Ο ευέλικτος. Η ευγένεια. Η ευγένεια. Ο ευρύς. Ο ευρύς.
The second rule is equally straightforward. When the sequences alpha epsilon and epsilon epsilon are followed by voiceless consonants, they are pronounced as af and f. The specific group of consonants are called voiceless consonants in Greek because they are produced without the vibration of the vocal cords.
Το αυτοκίνητο. Το αυτοκίνητο. Η αυτοψία. Η αυτοψία. Ο αυθόρμητος. Ο αυθόρμητος. Η ευκαιρία. Η ευκαιρία. Η ευφυΐα. Η ευφυΐα.
With these rules in your arsenal, you'll be a pro at pronouncing Greek words containing the vowel combinations we discussed today. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep practicing these rules until they become second nature to you. If you like this video, we would love your support. Please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our future language explorations. See you in the next video.